my daughter's soccer game.
And then I ordered the 90 millimeter. Alright.
No, I got the
Perfect.
I emailed Leo. And then I got the 90 blade, and I asked for an extra blade. And I had yeah, it's a whole kit. Okay.
Look at the retracts.
Oh my god.
Look at the retracts.
Oh my god.
They go, look at this shock absorber.
It's insane!
Like, if it was the gear for like FMS, I'm 7.5, then yeah. Show me the retracts. If I'm saying 200 bucks on retracts, I want to see them. Yeah, I want to see them. Otherwise, why the fuck are you showing me? They're all the same.
Ain't nobody give a damn.
Nobody got time for that. Pilot Ryan gives a damn. You don't care about the boy Pilot Ryan? What is my gear like?
Cause you make shit complicated, that's why.
Pilot Ryan is my dude, alright? So don't talk shit on Pilot Ryan.
I'll give you room.
Like those guys that come out here.
Ready? Going up.
And all three I can make
Shooting up, baby! Are you gonna go back down, downwind? I'm going. Right. I saw that. It did some weird shit. Woo! Doggy, I'm screaming! Woo! Woo!
Oh yeah, woo! Honestly, one day we gotta get the whole, like, line up by, like, get all the F-4 and all the Dude, this plane does not stall well.
No, it does not.
Out of that. Either I don't have enough up elevator throw. Is that a real jet? Is that a real jet engine in there?
Real turbine, baby!
Does that burn kerosene?
I'm on you, Frankie. Mock dog fighting, baby.
You run, but you can't hide, boy.
Where do you think you're going? That thing does whip around pretty good, though. For being as big as it is, I'm killing off my momentum. You're fine. Shit. Fuck! Like, oh, I pulled up too hard. I didn't carry my momentum. I'm just like, what? And it went, nope. So, no, no, no. Oh, no, you didn't.
That can't be good. Ray says that, it can't be good.
It just lost all momentum. It was just like, whack. So, whack. Dude, you can whip the hell out of that thing. Holy crap. And I can't do it with you. I'm like, it's like, no. I don't want to do that. I can't just yank. I got to do it smooth. Otherwise, all momentum is lost. Coming in? Nice, you barely touched.
Time remaining 27 seconds.
did. What's your voltage? Okay, coming in.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
It's so loud. You gotta be quiet.
Woo!
So cool. I don't know. Ridiculous. It actually.
Okay, that was fun, Frankie.
That was pretty cool. That one pull up, that was.
You heard me go, oh shit.
You know, I don't know the wings were actually about to like.
It's about, oh shit.
Bye bye wings.
It's all.
The car was like.
And then I lost all momentum. It's just like, bam.
You just like.